Today, we are going to see about nouns. What is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples: person, teacher, John, mother. Place, school, park, Japan. Thing, book, apple, car. Idea, happiness, honesty, joy. Why are nouns important? We use nouns in every sentence to talk about people, places, or things. Without nouns, there's no sentence. Types of nouns. 1. Common nouns. 2. Proper nouns. 3. Collective nouns. 4. Abstract nouns. 5. Concrete nouns. Quick practice. Find the nouns in this sentence. The dog is playing in the garden. The nouns are dog and garden. Let's learn about the main types of nouns. 1. Common nouns, general names of people, places, or things. Examples: boy, city, fruit, animal. 2. Proper nouns, names of specific people, places, or things. Examples: John, Japan, Google. 3. Collective nouns, names for a group of things or people. Examples: team, bunch, flock. 4. Abstract nouns, names for ideas, feelings, or qualities. Examples: love, honesty, freedom. 5. Concrete nouns, names for things we can see or touch. Examples: apple, chair, ball. Quick practice. Which type of noun is this? Dog. A common. B. Proper. C. Abstract. D. Collective. Answer: a common. Which type of noun is this? Australia. A common. B. Proper. C. Concrete. D. Collective. Answer: B. Proper. Which type of noun is this? Team. A common. B. Collective. C. Abstract. D. Proper. Answer: B. Collective. Which type of noun is this? Happiness. A. Abstract. B. Proper. C. Concrete. D. Common. Answer: A. Abstract. Which type of noun is this? Banana. A. Abstract. B. Concrete. C. Proper. D. Collective. Answer: B. Concrete. Summary. Noun, name of person, place, thing, or idea. Types: common, proper, collective, abstract, concrete.